then we can start.
Okay. I'm ready.
Good afternoon. We're going to begin the third meeting of the Municipal Electoral Board. This is being live streamed and recorded. If you have public comment, please make sure that the microphone at the podium is turned on so that we can capture what you have to say on the live stream. Today I have with me Mr. James R. Carroll, who is a member of the MOEB, and the MOEB attorney, Michael Casper. So we'll call the roll. Mr. Carroll.
Here.
Margaret Paul here, and Ms. Kraft-Pepper will not be joining us today.
We have a quorum.
Yes, a quorum is present.
Okay, thank you, Madam Chair, Judge Carroll. This is Michael Casper. I'm the lawyer for the board. During the course of our recess over the holiday weekend, we have received a filing from the objectors in all of the remaining cases. There are 7 of them, eight of them, sorry. Cases number MOEB City Clerk 02, MOEB Treasurer 01, MOEB Alderman 1-01, MOEB Alderman 2, MOEB Alderman 3, MOEB Alderman 4, MOEB Alderman 5, and MOEB Alderman 8. In each of those cases, the counsel for the objector has filed a motion to withdraw the objection. That is in addition to the motions that were similarly filed in the previous cases that are listed at the top of the agenda, case number MOEB 01, MOEB Mayor 02, MOEB Mayor 03, MOEB Alderman 1-02, and MOEB Alderman 7. I have spoken with the counsel for the objector and the counsel for the candidates, all of whom have been in receipt of the motions that were filed by the objectors, and both of the counsels for the candidates have indicated to me that they have no objection to the motion to withdraw. So, without further ado, I think a motion to accept the motions to withdraw in each of the cases is in order.
I make a motion to accept all the, and approve the orders for all the motions to withdraw that have been filed in these cases.
Second, on call of the roll, Mr. Carroll.
Aye.
Margaret Paul, aye.
All right, so,
Passes.
yes, and so at this point then, the election code requires the electoral board to issue a written ruling. I have drafts for each of the cases for the board members to sign, and that will be the conclusion of the matter before the electoral board.
So Ms. Kraft-Pepper has already signed the orders.
Yeah, she has signed the orders in each of the cases, and the remaining board members can sign them here today. And if anybody would like a copy of any of the orders, you're certainly welcome to stick around and get one once they're executed.
The only item left in our agenda then is public comment. So anyone wishing to make public comment, please come to the podium. Please, for purposes of the court reporter, please state your name and spell your last name.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Stephen Taylor, Taylor. I'm a third ward resident and I advocate for ethical and transparent government. I have been in litigation, successfully settled a lawsuit with the city, so I have personal experience with the legal system and with Del Galvo and their clients. The purpose of my statement today is to request a criminal investigation. It is my opinion that all these objections were some sort of scheme that involves fraud, perjury, and an unethical municipal law firm. As a public member, you advocate for accountability and transparency in the election process for the state of Illinois. I have seen copies of the affidavits that were submitted in the objector's response. The affidavit template is identical for every objective candidate you are hearing two cases on. Declaration number 5 states, when I signed the petition sheet for the candidate, I was confused by the language stating the candidate's name would appear on the ballot on April 1st, 2025. If a primary election on February 25th, 2025 was not necessary. And as an example, I have a petition page here that was referred to in one of the affidavits, and nowhere on this petition page mentions April 1st, 2025. To me, this appears to be fraud and perjury. Please advocate for the public. I would like this matter to be referred to the state's attorney for investigation. Thank you.
Of course.
Okay.
Thank you. Anyone else would like to speak to the board? Please come up. Okay, seeing no one, we'll close public comment. I'll make a motion to adjourn. Mr. Carroll?
Aye.
Margaret Paul, aye. We're adjourned.
Thank you all.
Thank you very much.